Hey guys, so as you can see, we have now gone through the pre-quiz, the warm-up, guided learning, and now we're on the practice. The practice is unique because as you go through it, you have two chances to get it right, which is why your template looks like this. You do your work, and then if you get it right, you get feedback. If you get it wrong, you get feedback. You do it again, then the feedback. So you're going to have 1 page per practice question as well. So that's going to look like this. So this was my pre-quiz, my guided learning, and now I'm going to be on to my practice. So I'm going to write at the top, practice number 1. And again, I am going to fold my page. Folding my page because I know on one side I'm doing my math, and on the other side I will be writing down whatever feedback I get. So, what is the simplified expression for 2x minus y plus 2x plus y? So like I said before, I'm going to do my math. So this is number 1, item 7775. And I am going to write down the simplified expression for 2x minus y plus 2x plus y. Cool. So I know that I am going to have, this is just distributed here. Then you go 2x minus y plus 2x plus y, combine like terms, so 2x plus 2x is going to be 4x, negative y plus y cancels out, so you know your answer is going to be 4x. 4x is going to be the correct answer, check, and yep. So I know my feedback is, basically it's saying 2x minus y plus 2x plus y so what you have is x and x. This is a negative y, x, x. This is a positive y. And this gives you a little bit of a model for how to do this. So x, 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 x. You have 4 of those. It's going to equal 4 x's. And then a negative y and a positive y is going to give you 0, which is exactly why you get that answer. I'm going to close this, and I'm going to move on to the next question. So we're going to go on to practice number 2. This one I'm going to get wrong on purpose to show you how it should look if you get it wrong. So, yeah, I can't talk tonight. Lillian thinks that 7x to the 5th minus 4x to the 3rd is the same as 3x squared. Which statement shows that it is not the same? So what we're going to have is, I'm going to call this A, this B, no, this A, this B, this C, and this D. So what I want to do is show you guys which one is correct. So I'm going to work through all of them. A is 7x to the 5th minus 4x to the 3rd is equal to 3x squared. That is not correct. So I'm just going to cross that out. B, 7 is 2 to the 5th minus 4 times 2 to the 3rd does not equal 7, 3 times 2 squared, and go to calculator. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 32. 7 times 32 equals 224. So 224 minus 4 times 8 is 32. Does not equal 4 times 3 is 12. So 224 minus 32 does not equal 12. That is correct, but is it the correct answer? C, which is going to be this one. 7x cubed minus 4x cubed does not equal 3x cubed. That's untrue because 7x cubed minus 4x cubed does equal 3x cubed. So that can't be right. And then this last one, 7 times 2 to the 5th times, that one's multiplication, so that's not even relevant. So I'm going to put multiplication is not relevant. All right, so we think it's going to be B. However, I'm going to put C just to demo what would happen if you got it wrong. So this statement does not help us compare 7x to the 5th minus 4x to the 3rd and 3x squared. These terms cannot be combined because they are not like terms, which is what we were saying before. These terms can be combined because they have the same variable and exponent. Okay. Close. I'm going to get it wrong again to see what happens. It gives you another more feedback. So I'm going to write this down. She thinks that 7x to the 5th minus 4x to the 3rd equal to 3x squared. This statement is true, but does not help Lillian think about the difference. So it specifically gave you this one. Because of this multiplication sign, it doesn't help us compare these two at all. So we're going to go here. This one helps it because it's filling in something for x. Check. Good. So it's going to be B. I'm going to put my box around that. And this is exactly what we just said earlier, right? 2 to the 5th is 32. 2 to the 3rd is 8. You work out the math. 192 does not equal 12. So one counterexample is enough to prove that the relationship is not true. So I would copy this down over here in this column. And yep. So as we're doing this, so adding and subtracting polynomials, this is going to be item, so practice number 3. Item number 9597. Let's see, subtract. So 2x cubed plus 7x squared minus 4 minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 10. So first thing I'm going to do is distribute this. And I know that the math isn't what's important here. What's important is that we know how to do this, know how to take our notes. So 2x cubed plus 7x squared minus 4 minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 10. So now we have to combine like terms. What we're going to have here is 2x cubed plus 7x minus, so plus 5x squared minus 4x. 10 minus 4 is 6. So this is what we're going to have. I'm going to click on the wrong answer again. So what I'm seeing is it's showing me what the like terms are. You can subtract so I know that this is the like term. That's the only one like that. So then I'll draw a triangle around this one and this one. Those two are the same. The circle ones that are the same, and then underline this one because that's all by itself. Once I combine those like terms, I'll see that this is the correct answer. Boom. And what it does is shows you that you have to distribute this. So when I'm taking those notes down here, I'll do it exactly like that. That's exactly what I wrote up here. So that would go in this box down here. Remember to take these notes because that is what you're graded on based on the rubric. Have a nice day. See you later.